The Olkaria Narok transmission line project is a 132 kV line. It's a 63 kilometers between the substation at Olkaria and the substation at Narok. In terms of the status of the project, I'd want to say that we are at 84% completion. We have done most of the foundation, actually all foundations are done. We are remaining with 20 tower erections to be completed. We've done about 54 kilometers of stringing. So roughly on the section where we had to do a tower erection, on completion, we should be stringing the remaining 11 or so kilometers. Then the project is ready for pre-commissioning, commissioning procedures. So on behalf of KETRACO, we are saying that the project is scheduled to be commissioned on or before the 30th of November this year.
Will only end once the construction and commissioning of the Olkaria Narok line is complete. That is why we came here today to see the progress of the construction of this power line. And we have seen the Ilmashariane power station, which is complete. We have seen the construction of the towers, and we are happy with the progress of the work that is being done. So I want to take this opportunity to assure residents of Narok that in 2 months' time, power fluctuation in Narok town will end, and there will be adequate, stable, and reliable supply of power in Narok and Narok town and its environment. So we are looking forward for that day, that in 2 months' time we will have adequate, stable power supply in Narok town.